Hi everyone, my name is Jyoti Agarwal and I am the teacher trainer for BenQ India. We are back with a series of onboarding videos for our new essential series of BenQ Board RE03, which comes in 4 different sizes: 65, 75, 86 and 98 inches. The purpose of this video is to guide first-time users on how to start using this BenQ board. In this video, I am going to cover the hardware and the accessories that comes with it, followed by introducing the ports, buttons and home screen icons. Without further delays, let's get started. So you can see behind me, it's an RE03 75 inches BenQ board which comes with few accessories. So let's see what we have in this accessory box. Touch USB, HDMI cable, a VGA cable. As you can see here, we have a remote, 2 germ-resistant styluses with 2 different thickness, and Type-C and a wall mount. Besides this, the screen of BenQ board comes with tempered glass with 9-inch hardness, and you can use both stylus or finger to use touch on the board. You even can use any object for touch whose tip is more than 2.8 mm in diameter. This BenQ Board Essential Series RE03 comes with infrared 40-point touch technology along with zero bonding, which gives a smooth and natural writing experience to the users. On BenQ Board of Essential Series, here we have the front-facing 32-watt speaker for better sound quality and magnetic patch to hold stylus. Let's move to explore the hardware features of RE03 BenQ Board Essential Series. It comes with quad-core processor. It is based on latest operating system, that is Android 11. It has 4 GB internal and 32 GB external storage, and it is based on high-speed LAN of 1000 Mbps speed. Moreover, by keeping teachers and the student safety in mind, RE03 Essential Series is provided with SIAA certified germ-resistant screen and stylus, TUV certified eye care solution along with IP5 dust proofing, which makes it suited for the classroom environment. Let's see how we can power on the board. On the right bottom of the board, we have buttons and the ports. Here we have the power button to turn on the screen. And if you give a long press to the same, it will shut down the board safely. That's how the interface looks once the board is powered on. Besides the power button, we have ports. These ports will help us to connect our devices like tablet, mobile, Windows laptop or Mac by hardwiring straight into these ports. So here we have 2 USB to connect the USB drives or hard drives and access its content directly from the board, HDMI with touch port and Type-C port. Nowadays, Type-C port is very common and it is present mostly on all types of devices for better connectivity. Here the Type-C port has a quick access to USB. It can transfer audio and video. It has a touchback capabilities, and it can also charge the connected device with 65-watt power. For instance, if the teacher wants to plug in Windows laptop into the board by using Type-C port, this can be done by using HDMI and touch port together. So what happens is, the source of the board will automatically switch to the Windows and the teacher can control laptop via touchscreen on the BenQ board. They do not need to run back and forth to change the content from laptop. Same can be done with Mac. Let's now move to the home screen and you will see few icons on it. Let's start from the bottom left corner. First we have the AMS Service icon, using which we can personalize the wallpaper, thumbnail and can activate AMS services. Now what is AMS Service? AMS Service or Account Management System can be used for creating personalized user login, which can give access to the user to link their personal Google Drive, Dropbox and OneDrive. Coming to these bottom middle icons, the first icon which we have is for the input selection. Using this, we can select the input source, which can be either Android, HDMI, Type-C or VGA. The second icon is Settings. It has General tab. We can control volume, brightness, enable or disable eye care feature, auto backlight feature, and blank screen. Blank screen can be used to divert students' attention from the screen. In Network tab, we have the options to connect internet via Ethernet, Wi-Fi, which can be enabled by using BenQ recommended Wi-Fi dongle. And with these options, you can always create hotspot on the board. Under Device tab, we have Display. With the display, you can change the resolution of the screen. Under Custom Source Name, you can rename the input source. Under Apps, you can uninstall or disable the existing apps which you do not wish to use further. Under Storage, you can check the storage of the BenQ board. Under the Advanced Settings, you can enable the key lock, IR lock, and touch lock. In System tab, these are the options to change the input language, update the date and time, and to upgrade the system firmware. Inside the third icon, we have all apps which teachers can use on BenQ board. So here we have AMS files. AMS files are the file manager. BenQ App Store. From this, teachers can download BenQ recommended applications. EZ-Write 6, it is a writing board software. InstaShare 2 for wireless two-way mirroring. Kahoot for preparing online quizzes. WPS Office to open MS Office and PDF format. Here we have widgets. Widgets allow us to use some commonly used widgets on the screen like Note, Timing Tool, and Calculator. Let's use Note. This can be used to show some important message during the session. We have the right to change the position of these widgets also. Here the teachers can also pin their favorite apps on the screen. This is a notification icon to notify you about updates and upgrades. This is floating tool to annotate anywhere, anytime on the BenQ board. It has pointing tool, pen, highlighter, laser pointer, eraser, gamification tool, recording option, and a screenshot. Then we have a EZ-Write 6 writing board software. That's how the EZ-Write looks. It has all required tools which a teacher may require during their session. Let's move to the sidebars. It has home icon to come to the home screen, back icon to move to the previous function, recent icon to switch between the open applications, quick launch to launch any application on any background. EZ-Write 6 to move to the writing board, freeze option to pause to the screen for a couple of seconds, and a floating tool. On the center, we have 3 frequently used applications. This one is for wireless projection, which is commonly known as InstaShare 2. This helps you to wirelessly mirror mobile, tablet, laptops to and from the BenQ board. Any Android, iOS, Windows, Mac can mirror through this. We will be covering InstaShare 2 in our upcoming videos. After InstaShare 2, then we have File Manager, AMS. This is also called Account Management System of BenQ board. We use this to access internal, external cloud storage. By this, you can open PDF, PPT, Word, Excel, audio, video, and images directly on the board. If you are logging through AMS, you can also access your personal cloud drives like OneDrive, Dropbox, and Google Drive. This is all about the user interface of BenQ Board Essential Series RE03. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with us for more such informational videos on RE03 BenQ Board Essential Series.